are here. This is the bridge that they are building here. Yeah, they are working a bridge, doing a bridge here, and it's a big bridge. Yeah, I'm sure that's the river down there. It's just a small river, not really a big river. And there's a guy that doing his laundries on the river down there, and I'm not sure if the water is clean because it's not really as clear as what I can see in real. So this is the new build bridge, and it's not yet finished. So look at these steel bars here. Wow, a fantastic. This concrete road going to the bridge looks like it's broken. Yeah, there's some, I can see it here. There's some, not a lot of cracks, and it's going down there, going to the bridge, to the new bridge. They're just working for a bridge. It's a new road, so I'm not quite sure if they are doing a right concrete road here because there's a lot of cracks. This is the second bridge that they are working. Yeah, the job is still ongoing. Let's have a look here. This is the second river. Looks quite nice. I like this second river than the first river that we been. And this is the second bridge that they are working here to pass and going to another place. I'm not really sure where this road heading to, but yes, we are in a countryside, and this is the place here. Wow, careful You see that, guys?